To fix a Frigidaire AC that is not cooling, start by checking the power supply to ensure it is turned on and the circuit breaker has not tripped. Verify that the thermostat is set to the correct temperature and mode, and that the air filter is clean and properly installed. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow, reducing the unit's ability to cool the room. Next, inspect the condenser coils for any blockages or debris. Clean the coils with a soft brush or vacuum cleaner to improve airflow and heat transfer. Also, check the refrigerant level to ensure it is at the recommended level. Low refrigerant levels can cause the AC to not cool properly. Check the air vents and ducts for any blockages or leaks. Make sure all vents are open and unobstructed, and seal any leaks in the ducts with duct tape or sealant. Verify that the drain pan is not clogged, as a clogged drain pan can cause water to accumulate and reduce the unit's cooling performance. If the issue persists, check the compressor and fan motor for any signs of malfunction. If either component is not working properly, it may need to be replaced. Additionally, check the capacitor and contactor for any signs of wear or damage, as these components can also affect the unit's cooling performance. Finally, consider resetting the AC unit by switching it off and on, or checking the user manual for specific reset instructions. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a professional technician for further diagnosis and repair. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the air filter and condenser coils, can help prevent cooling issues and ensure the Frigidaire AC operates efficiently and effectively.